Grinding. It's the first of the month. Out here trying to make some. Spend all my money on what? I just wanna have fun. Swear this beat made me go dumb. Stupid, retarded, living it up, easy money. Yeah, it's a godsend. Yeah, going in hard. Yeah, that's what she said. Oh, can't slow down. Nope, that's some nonsense. Drop the hater off. No time for that garbage. Count it all up real quick. Paper chasing my process. I owe it all to hustling. No know-it-alls around me. I just wanna party. She just wanna be around me. Another one similar. That's highly unlikely. Started off on white tees. Now Grime Labs got the fresh tees on. Still walking around with hoodies, looking like armed robberies. Hungry for those goodies. Now my work started profiting. Making me say, I ain't trying to brag, but I like it better this way. Grind it, grind it, grind it. This is for my young cats, this is for my old folk. This is for the mothers having babies by these outlaws. Shout out to my kinfolk, my loves to the fam. I got brothers I've lost, sisters gone.